Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Bagged and Bougie. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Coach Kisslock 16 in black. I have been having my eye on this bag for quite a while and I'm so excited to add it to my collection. This is my first unboxing video, so please bear with me as I learn to fix my camera angles and to make things perfect for you all in the near future. So as you see here, I am taking off all the styrofoam. Coach Kisslock comes with 2 tags. One that says the Kisslock frame bag. It is a limited edition. It is a beautiful, supple black leather. Perfect Kisslock. I am removing more stuffing out of the middle. This bag can fit quite a lot. I do have an iPhone 14 Max and it does fit comfortably in this bag. In the future, I will show what's in my bag so you can see what fits in there. As I continue to take out all of the stuffing, Coach does not lack on the stuffing. This bag does come with a brass chain that matches the outside edge and the Kisslock. It does come with one pocket with some Coach cards. And I'm just showing you around as to how deep and wide this bag is. Beautiful supple leather inside and out. It does come with a leather strap as well as the gold chain. The gold chain can be used to wear the purse as a crossbody, and the black small strap can be used to wear it as a crook of the elbow bag or just to hold in your hands. You can also take both straps and hide them inside and carry the bag as a clutch. I'm showing you here that I am attaching both sides of the chain. And here we are, a beautiful Kisslock 16 in the black supple leather. Again, I'm so excited and so happy to share this with you all today. I know some people had issues with the Kisslock closing, but again, this one is perfect. Thank you for stopping by.